Hey everyone, it's Neil Patel and welcome to another day of SEO Unlocked. Today we're going to be covering additional sales channels. Just like leveraging Amazon, additional sales channels, all the other platforms out there like Walmart, eBay, they're actually very similar. So going over them, implementing them, it's actually not going to be too hard. You can take the lessons that you've learned in the past and implement them with all these other sales channels as well. They pretty much work in the same way, although there's very small minor differences, and I'll make sure and I cover them in this lesson. First off, if you want to do well in e-commerce, you gotta rank your product listing pages. From search goal values to keyword competition, commercial intent, grouping, all these things is important, and I'll go over them throughout this lesson as well. And you can use tools like ubersuggest.com to do this all for you. So whenever you're trying to figure out what keywords to go after, if you go on any of these sites, from Amazon to eBay to Walmart, and you type in keywords, they'll automatically give you suggestions. Typically, the results at the top are the ones that are the most popular, that people are searching for more frequently, and then as they go lower and lower, they tend to be less popular. So this will provide you a lot of data and insights on what people are looking for. Again, as I mentioned, you can go to Uber Suggest. You can just Google for Uber Suggest and type in the keywords that you're thinking of going after. And in the left-hand navigation, click on keyword ideas. You'll see a whole list of all the keywords you can target. And there's multiple tabs on this report. There's a related tab, questions tab, prepositions tab. Make sure you click on all of these because it'll give you more ideas for keywords to be targeting that can drive conversions. Look for the keywords that have high volume and a high CPC. That means cost per click. Typically, if people are willing to spend a lot of money on a keyword and it has high volume, that means it can drive a lot of sales. Once you have a list of keywords that you want to target, you want to optimize your listing. From your titles, including keywords in there, that helps you rank higher, especially on sites like Walmart. From your bullets, tweaking the copy, making sure the keywords in there, same with the descriptions. By doing all of this, what you'll find is you're going to start ranking for more and more keywords. And when you do this, remember, just ranking isn't enough. You need to make sure that your images are amazing. You have HD high quality ones, so you're getting high click-through rates, and that'll also boost your conversions because these sites make money as you sell more, and that also causes your rankings to skyrocket over time. It's doing all these little things correctly. There's a lot of e-commerce sites out there and platforms that you can be leveraging, so I'm going to go over a few of them, and I'm going to go over step-by-step how you can leverage them. Let's start off with Etsy. They have over 323 million visits a month and over 2.5 million sellers on their platform. That's a lot. So you go to Etsy.com, move your icon over the account icon, and then click Shop Manager. Click Listings if you're a new seller. Click on your shop. Click Add Listings. On the Sell Etsy app, tap the plus icon. Add product and listing details, and then publish or save your listing. With Etsy, here's some tips for tags. Anything that's vintage, custom, handmade, great for gifts, anything like this, any of the keywords that I'm mentioning here, they tend to do well. What I've also found, if you're really trying to win on Etsy, you want to describe pretty much less about the product, right? The materials, design, colors, more about how it feels. Etsy's that site where people come for like handmade goods, that special emotional connection, that feeling. And that's what you want to do if you want to win on Etsy. On neilpatel.com/training, if you click on e-commerce unlocked, week 3, lesson 2, you will end up finding the Etsy platform resource guide that we have for you. And you can find the resource guides for all the other platforms I'm about to discuss there as well. So now let's go over Walmart. If you want to win on Walmart, which is a huge site, right? Everyone thinks about Amazon, but Walmart generates over $1 trillion a year in sales. They expect e-commerce to grow by roughly 30% a year. Sellers on Amazon's marketplace say that less than 10% of the time, they're pushing their products on Walmart and other sites. So you got to make sure that you go on Walmart and push your products there because they just have so much volume. It's really important and people take it for granted when they shouldn't. But that's good news for you because that means there's less competition. When you're setting up your Walmart listings, apply to become a seller, after which you get access to the Walmart Seller Center. You want to log in there, fill out all the item specifications, go very in-depth, or you can let your solutions manager manage your listing for you. And for extra credit, create SEO-rich listings to be specific. Create crisp attractive keywords, make sure you're adding in the proper keywords into the description, the title, all of this will help. And if you want to win the buy box with competitive pricing, that really does help. Sellers should offer free shipping since shipping is considered a part of the overall price. Walmart is very competitive pricing. That's what they're known for. Having the lowest price available will help you win. Sellers on Walmart have less competition than Amazon, but still have to maintain the reputation if you want to do well. So reviews, ratings, very important as well. And of course, you can download this from neilpatel.com/training for the Walmart resource document. Now for eBay is still huge. Their stock, multi-billion-dollar company. They do over $10 billion in revenue. 1.5 billion is the approximate number of marketplace live listings. 174 million active eBay marketplace buyers worldwide. That's a ton. So you want to go there, set up your listings. You want to click the sell button at the top of the eBay page. Complete all the steps. You want to review your listings. Make sure you put in the right keywords in there. When you're clicking a listing, and going through the process, just make sure you keep the same things in mind. High quality images, you want the keywords there, you want bullets so that way it's easy to understand. Any videos can help explain why your product is amazing. All that kind of stuff really does help. And some things that I've learned if you want to win on eBay, start with low price, let people bid up and go from there. Offer free shipping and 30-day money back guarantees. Encourage positive feedback. People try to buy from reputable sellers. Do the basics, headlines, descriptions, images, bullets. Of course, if you want step-by-step instructions on eBay, go to neilpatel.com/training, click on e-commerce unlocked, go on week 3, and this is lesson 2 of week 3, and just follow eBay step by step. There's a lot of other marketplaces out there, from Facebook Marketplace to Google Express, Alibaba, they're huge, Rakuten, Allegro, Wish, Wayfair, and the list keeps going on and on and on. So why not leverage all of them, right? Look to see what's working for your competitors and go after those channels as well. You want to choose the right ones because it does take time to set up, but the more omni-channel you go with your listings, the better off you are and the more sales you'll end up generating overall. So some general business policies, get familiar with each marketplace. They all have their own rules. Don't break them. The moment you break them, it's going to crush you in the future. When you're selling, you may end up needing more product, more suppliers. You can go to Alibaba for that. Spocket is another good place. DHgate for electronics, wholesale, 2B, Big Buy. These are all good places to go as well. There's also some other opportunities that stand out that I want you to leverage. The first is ManyChat. It's a great way to leverage and gain more subscribers, especially from Facebook. They also do multi-channel like email and phone as well. You'll want to set that up. So you can go there, you can do a broadcast. They have a lot of different options and templates. When sending out a broadcast to your subscriber, they'll break down how to set it up step by step. You want to check out, who's currently available for promotion lists. You want to head to audience, filter, messaging window segment, follow up, eligible. So you want to go there and that'll give you an idea of who you can end up marketing to. Voice search is also big. There's a lot of tools out there that are leveraging things like Google Home and Alexa. Voice search is all about those micro moments when someone's just like, hey, I want to buy this. Like the amount of times I bought from my Alexa is huge. I buy so many products from Amazon just for my Alexa device. Funny enough, when I first got my Alexa device, I tried buying stuff from Amazon just to test it out. Probably didn't need that stuff right away, but it was a fun experience. And the easiest way to figure out what's popular on voice search is go to Ubersuggest, type in more keywords. It'll tell you what people are looking for. Look for buy-related keywords. These buy-related keywords are the ones that'll tend to convert the best from voice search from what we're seeing. Now here's some interesting stats for you for voice search. Most people don't know this. At least in the United States, over 50% of searches are now voice search. They're that popular because now people are searching from devices like Alexa, Google Home, their phone, their iPhone, their Android phone, whatever it may be, even their laptop. You can talk through your laptop and Google does searches. So action items for you, go to neilpatel.com/training, click on e-commerce unlocked, go to week 3, lesson 2, and download the files here as well as the ones I mentioned. Make sure you download your competitor keyword tracking sheet as well as your product scoring sheet, and of course your platform resource guides for the eBays, the Walmarts, the Etsy's, and all the ones that I mentioned. I look forward to continually helping you grow your e-commerce sales. Thank you.